Welcome to our channel, where we inspire you with the most stunning and elegant home decor ideas. Whether you're looking to refresh your space or completely transform your home, these elegant tips and tricks will elevate your interiors to a whole new level. Let's dive into the world of sophisticated design. The power of neutral tones. Neutral tones are the epitome of elegance. Shades like ivory, beige, and soft grays create a calming, timeless atmosphere. Pair these hues with subtle accents like gold or matte black to add a layer of luxury. Remember, less is often more when aiming for sophistication. Statement lighting. Lighting can completely transform your space. Opt for statement chandeliers, sleek pendant lights, or elegant wall sconces. A well-placed fixture not only illuminates, but also serves as a centerpiece, adding a touch of glamour to any room. Incorporating textures. Layering textures is key to creating depth and interest. Mix materials like velvet, silk, and faux fur for a plush, elegant vibe. A velvet sofa or a silk throw can instantly elevate your living room while making it feel cozy and inviting. Decor that speaks luxury. Elegant decor is all about attention to detail. Incorporate statement pieces like ornate mirrors, crystal vases, or marble trays. These elements exude luxury and tie your decor together effortlessly. Sophisticated artwork. Art speaks volumes in a well-decorated home. Choose pieces that resonate with your style, whether it's a large abstract painting, a gallery wall, or sculptural decor. Ensure the artwork complements your room's color palette and adds a personal touch to the space. Minimalist elegance. Simplicity often leads to elegance. Declutter your spaces and focus on quality over quantity. A few well-chosen pieces, such as a sleek coffee table or a stylish console, can have a far greater impact than a room filled with decor. Elegant home decor is a blend of timeless elements, thoughtful details, and your unique personal style. By following these ideas, you can create a space that is not only beautiful, but also a true reflection of who you are. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring decor ideas. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.